Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set new messages to open in a new window in Outlook by default. This is a really useful feature if you prefer having more screen space and better organization when composing your emails. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to fully load all your emails and folders so everything is ready for you to work with. Once your emails have loaded and you can see your inbox, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. You'll see the File tab positioned there, so go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll find all the core settings and options for managing your Outlook configuration. After clicking on File, a menu will appear on your screen. Now take a look at the very bottom of this File menu. You'll notice an option called Outlook Options. Click on it. This will open a new window that contains all the customizable settings for your Outlook application, giving you complete control over how the program behaves. Once the Outlook Options window appears, look at the left side of the window. You'll see several tabs listed there, and one of them is labeled Mail. Click on the Mail tab to access all the email-related settings. This section is specifically designed for configuring how your emails are composed, sent, and displayed, making it the perfect place to adjust your message window behavior. Now that you're in the mail settings, you'll need to scroll down through the various options until you find a section called Replies and Forwards. This section controls how Outlook handles your email responses and forwarded messages. Within this section, look for the option that says Open Replies and Forwards in a new window. You'll see a checkbox right next to it, so simply click on that checkbox to enable this feature. By turning this on, you're telling Outlook that whenever you reply to or forward an email, it should open in a separate window rather than within the reading pane, giving you more flexibility and workspace. Once you've checked that box, click the OK button at the bottom of the window to save your changes. Your settings will now be applied, and from this point forward, all your replies and forwards will automatically open in new windows, making your email workflow much more efficient and organized. And that's it, you've successfully configured Outlook to open new messages in separate windows by default. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.